Why would critical thinking help me in my vet tech profession? Let's look at the following elements of critical thinking and see. What is my purpose? What am I trying to do, get across, or learn? What is my objective? What information do I need to gain? How can I get there if I don't know what or where there is? What question am I trying to answer? It needs to be clear what the question is before you can attempt to answer it. What assumptions am I making? Do I believe based on how the owner is dressed? How well they treat their animal? Do I believe based on the breed or species? Or how well they will tolerate restraint? What data or information do I need to support my answer? Where should I look for information? Will I find it from the pet's behaviors? From the owner? Do I need to obtain samples? What is my point of view? What are others' points of views? Am I asking the owner questions that will help clarify the pet's needs? Am I considering the pet's behavior related to the chief complaint? How does the owner feel about answering questions about their pet? How does the pet feel about being in this room with me? What conclusions or inferences can I make based on this information? My conclusions or decisions should be based on the evidence I find in the data or information collection. I need to ask myself, does this make sense based on the information and data I collected? Can I justify my decision or conclusion? If I come to these conclusions, what will the implications and consequences be? If I conclude that the pet's environment has not changed, and I write this in the record, the vet will look at other possible reasons for the pet's illness. What if I, in my data collection, miss something about an environmental change that misleads the vet? In summary, remember to use the following prompts to critically think about analyzing your patient. What is my purpose? What question am I trying to answer? What assumptions am I making? What data or information do I need to support my answer? What is my point of view? What are others' points of views? What conclusions or inferences can I make based on this information? If I come to these conclusions, what will the implications and consequences be? Thanks for watching.